Hello everyone, it's MA Station and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to stream on Facebook by using OBS Studio. Okay, so follow my tutorial step by step. I'm gonna show you how. Do not skip the video. Please follow. Okay, so we're gonna start to browser. Of course, let's go to your Facebook page. It's kind of slow. Okay. And then click Creator Studio, Creative Tools, set up live stream. Okay, so now let's go back to our OBS Studio. Okay, let's go back to our OBS Studio. Let's see here, where's the OBS Studio? There you go. So on OBS Studio, let's go to settings, click stream. If you can see here, server dito. Okay, so we need the server URL from your Facebook page. So let's go ahead and copy paste that from your Facebook. Let's close this for a minute. Okay, so now copy lang to, copy paste, and let's go back to our studio. Go settings, click stream, copy paste server URL, and let's go back to Facebook. Okay, close lang muna natin to. And then we need the stream key in order for us to go live on Facebook. Okay, so just copy paste this one, and let's go back again to our studio, OBS. Let's go to settings, stream, and then copy paste stream key here, and then click apply and OK. Alright, so we want to make sure our live stream. Okay, so always make sure, double check, make sure you double check your live stream key. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a test. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, let's close this window, and then let's do I use a power mirror for mirroring app for my stream all the time, so I'm gonna use this one. Open up your power mirror, make sure you are connected to your local Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so now let's let us start the stream. Okay. Start nating stream, and then kung gusto nyong makasigurado kung nag-work yung stream nyo, then go back to your Facebook. And there you go. Your live stream is now working. So, yeah, ganun lang. Kadaling gamitin ng Facebook live stream. So, kung gusto nyo naman i-test game, or let's test it on mobile games like Mobile Legends. So, I'm gonna go ahead and close that. Go to main power mirror. Click OK. I'm gonna close that for a minute. Okay. So now let's open our Mobile Legend game. And it's working. So, yep. So, yeah, ganun lang kadaling gumamit ng ganun lang kadaling mag-live sa Facebook page using OBS Studio. So, yep, make sure you like and subscribe na rin para sa susunod nating mga video, meron akong ilalabas, updated kayo. So, see you on my next video.